If you want to lose 10 pounds in 30 days, this realistic plan will show you exactly what to eat, how to train, and how to stay consistent. First, understand this. Fat loss is about calorie deficit. You must burn more calories than you eat, safely and consistently. Step 1. Remove sugary drinks. Soda, sweet coffee, and juice add hidden calories without filling you up. Drink at least 3 liters of water daily. Hydration reduces hunger and improves metabolism naturally. Step 2. Increase protein intake. Eggs, chicken, fish, Greek yogurt. Protein keeps you full and protects muscle. Let's get these eggs scrambled, and the chicken is grilling nicely. Build every meal with protein, vegetables, and healthy fats. Keep carbs moderate and controlled. Step 3. Walk at least 8,000 to 10,000 steps every single day. Add strength training 3 to 4 times weekly. Muscle burns more calories even at rest. Focus on compound movements: squats, push-ups, rows, and lunges. Keep workouts simple. 40 minutes is enough if you train with intensity and focus.
Step 4. Sleep at least 7 hours. Poor sleep increases hunger hormones and cravings.
Reduce stress. High stress raises cortisol, which makes fat loss harder.
Track your progress weekly, not daily. Weight fluctuates, but trends show real results.
Take progress photos every week under the same lighting. Eliminate processed snacks. Choose fruits, nuts, or yogurt instead. So, remove the chips from your cabinet and replace them with healthier options, like apples and almonds. Plan your meals ahead. Preparation prevents unhealthy decisions. I like to start with some protein, then add my grains and veggies, and it's all ready for the week.
Stay consistent for 30 days. Not perfect, just consistent.
If you follow this plan seriously, losing 8 to 10 pounds in 30 days is realistic and healthy. Start today.